What's up guys, Moritz here today, and we will be having a look at this lovely looking slideshow. It's fully automatic, as you can see right here. It has a little autoplay on every slide, and here you can even stop it with this nice little button, and this is a way to manually just let the slides go through. It does contain this image and also a little headline text, and also a button you can link to whatever you prefer. You can also navigate through the collection with those buttons right here. Of course, the whole thing is fully responsive on mobile as well, and I'm going to show you how you can get it for your very own Shopify store. Let's jump right into it. The app I used for this is called Section Store. You can find it in the Shopify App Store. It's a non-subscription app. That means the download is completely for free. And this section you're going to find underneath our newest releases, so just with the help of the search bar, with typing in Slideshow 5. Let's click on it real quick. It does come with a little charge of $9, but just in this section, in this case, it's going to be a one-time fee, so don't worry about paying for it monthly. If you're going to pay for it once, you're going to own it forever. Also, you have all the customization options in the world with those things right here. And at the end of the day, you're not going to need an expensive developer to custom code that for you. So I think those are a couple of really nice benefits. Before actually being able to use the section, go back to the My Sections area of the app, where you can find a collection of all the sections you already downloaded or own. And here we have to add it to the theme we're using. In my case, it is the Dawn Live theme, but don't worry about it. It does work on every theme. So simply just click on here, and then you can open it up in the theme editor with the theme you just installed it to. And another nice thing about the app is that it's not going to slow your store down. You can even deinstall the app after downloading the section. So it's just copy pasting the code into your store. So don't worry about anything regarding speed. All the sections are super fast. All the images are optimized with lazy load. So we're going to be quick with those ones. So yeah, let's open up the theme editor. I've already done so. So I'm going to scroll all the way down, click to add section, and then we're simply going to type in slideshow. And the one we're looking for is going to be marked with SS slideshow number 5, and the default version will look something like this. Let's save it up real quick. And a thing I would like to do first is drag it all the way to the top. So we have it up there. And now I want to remove two of the slides right here. So we're going to keep it sleek and small. And now the first thing I would like to do is click on one of the blocks. We have it right there. And then of course fill it with content. I'm going to use this rug brand of a friend of mine, because I do think he has really nice pictures. So that's a nice way to demonstrate it. So here you can even select the product you want to link to the whole thing. Of course, it's all going to be not relatable. It's just a test store of mine. Here you can change the headline to orange rug, for example, and all the text here is changeable as well. And also to the button, we can either do a collection, whatever you prefer. Just going to link it to the homepage again. But yeah, this is how those blocks work. I'm just going to fill the other ones with content as well. So let's chuck 2 more pictures in here. I'm not going to put a link to those because you already saw how it works. And yeah, final thing I would like to show you here is that they also do work on mobile really well. So here we can do a decision where we want to position the content on mobile. So yeah, this is looking nice if you ask me. And now continue with the last photo right here, and I would like to pick this one, and then I can show you some customizations you can do to the whole block itself, like setting the autoplay slider, for example, so how much time it's going to take before the images will change and the whole slides, the slide gap. So this is another thing, how big the gap between those is. And pretty much everything you see here regarding text is changeable in size, color, and whatever you name it actually. You can assign how the heading is going to be aligned. So if you want that in the middle, that is also totally possible. So I'm just going to put this one on the right side. I'll just play around a little bit. And also the button I would like to have in the middle. And this is what we're going to end up with. If we don't want to have an image blur, we can also point that out. And the last thing I would like to show you is that we can also switch all the colors right here. So if I do want the heading color in orange, for example, we could easily change that as well, and all the other things as well. But I'm not going to go into detail too much because I don't want to take up more than I already did of your time, and you also want to change it to your likings and your brand identity. So I'll give my test store a little reload, and we Gonna have a final look at what we did. This is looking nice, and now I want to use those arrows to navigate through it, and it is working perfectly fine. I hope you guys found it useful. If you did, always feel free to leave a like and a follow. And with that being said, have a good one and peace out.